Hello everyone, welcome to another trade breakdown of the week ahead. We are going to be looking at this asset and looking at possible trading opportunities that we are going to be having on this asset as in the next coming hours when the market is going to be opening. You guys got to stay very focused and stick to the video from the beginning to the end so you guys can grab all the important lessons that I'm going to be giving out on this video. Make sure you are watching the video with a pen and a notebook so you can write down the important things in which I am going to be saying in the video. We are going to start with EURUSD. Okay, looking at EURUSD, you can see on the in the 1 month time frame that price is sweeping these lows, and we know that lows are liquidity areas. So old lows are liquidity areas. When market sweeps old lows, we expect price to go towards the old highs. So this is an internal range low, and this is our internal range high. So you guys can see that price have just swept the low of this liquidity. So market sweeps the low here, connects the liquidity here, we expect price to go up. Right now, the one week time frame, price is still having a candle which is closing below this range. So if the market can go above this candle and make something like this, go above this candle and come back on this candle, you can expect a long trade towards the highs of that internal range high. So that is the possible scenarios in which I am expecting price to do. So right now I can't say gold is bearish on the EURUSD is bearish on the 1 week time frame. So I'll go directly to the 1 day time frame. In the 1 day time frame, I can clearly confirm that EURUSD is now bullish because the market just sweep liquidity below this sell stops here. The market went below this sell stop and close above this one specific candle, this bearish candle that liquidated these lows. So as soon as price went above this one specific candle and came back to the candle, that is now when the bullish trend started. So EURUSD is bullish as from now on, till further notice. So by next week we can start looking for buys towards this drawn liquidity, because this is our next drawn liquidity, because this 1 day candle made a pullback at least 50% of this daily candle. Okay, right now we know that EU is bullish, so we know what to expect from EU as from now. Okay, right now let's go to DXY, dollar index. Okay, the dollar index sweep this liquidity above this sell stops here. So after sweeping this liquidity, we expect price to start selling, and price is already selling. On the 1 week time frame, price is closing above this range, so we can't have our bias on this 1 week time frame. But on the 1 day time frame, we clearly see that price is selling because price have closed below this candle that liquidated this high. It have closed with this bearish candle, so price went back to this candle and started selling. So on dollar index we are bearish and expect lower prices. We are going to be expecting sales right up to 50%, and if we can close below 50%, then we can expect the market to start selling right up to the opposing end of the range. That is my thought process on the dollar index. This is our model number 1. So expect the market to start selling next week. Okay. BTC. A lot of scammers like this pair. Anyways, let's look at what BTC is doing. On the 1 month time frame, previous month closed below the monthly time frame, so we are expecting lower prices. So this current month to continue towards the lows. Right? We expect price to continue selling towards the lows. We have this breaker block here. This breaker block. So expect the market to keep selling towards this drawn liquidity. On the 1 week time frame, I can tell you see BTC is inside this fair value gap. So we're gonna wait and see what price is serving for us on this fair value gap. So if this weekly candle closes here, then we can expect the next week to continue towards the lows here. Candle range low. So let's monitor price and see how the market is gonna close this week, so we can focus on sales next week. On the 1 day time frame, You can clearly see that we have our model number 1 here already set. So you wanna see something as in something like this. Okay, like this, and then drop towards the CRT low. That's what I wanna see. So this up close candle here, I want to see price react on that up close candle and then drop here towards the CRT low. So that's my idea and my thought process on BTC on the 1-day time. Okay, yeah, I will, and also this 1-day fair value gap is also my point of I'm very interested in this fair value gap. So I would like to see how price will behave as soon as price tap into this daily fair value gap. So I'm bearish on BTC. So guys should focus more on sales. Then on ES, that is our S&P features, right? Our S&P features. So I'll end the video here. I don't like making the video too lengthy, so I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow me on my social medias. Yes. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. And I'll try as much as possible to make another video and answer the question.